Welcome to Traveling with Tracy. We are here at Silver Falls State Park in Oregon, where there's 10 waterfalls on a 4-hour round trip trail. Lots of people are out enjoying the 70-degree sunshine here in Oregon. We're gonna see some beautiful sights and take these kids to work out their little getaway sticks. Here we are at our first waterfall. The cool thing is that we're going to come down this trail and you get to go walk behind it. So how cool is that? That is a pretty neat waterfall. All right. You feel the mist? Listen to that. That's thousands of gallons of water just pouring over the edge. Well, we are standing behind a waterfall. Here's what it looks like. That is too awesome. Look at that beautiful scenery. The kids are having a blast exploring all these caves. You can stand up in there. Okay, you live in that one. I'm gonna live in this one. We'll all be neighbors. Oh, you got some nice mineralization here. Alright.
There's a pool up there.
Oh, there's light coming through? Oh, that is so cool. Okay. That was probably one of the coolest things we've done in a while. That's majestic. What do you think, Art? And was that awesome?
Yeah.
Okay, we got his approval. That's pretty hard. Watch your step. You do have to walk back up. And it is kind of muddy and slippery. One of Tracy's main jobs is to refuel the family. She does a good job at making snacks. It is a very beautiful trail here. Lots of mossy trees. The sun feels great on our skin, on our ghostly pallor that we've developed after being in the Pacific Northwest for a few years. It's nice to get out. So this is what you get to do when you homeschool and you find a business that gets a little bit of money, able to pay for some shelter and some food and some clothes from the thrift shop. It's about all you need in life. I'd way rather spend money on experiences and loving memories than fancy cars. Where does all this water come from? All right, so Tracy here almost didn't make it last night.
I woke up in the middle of the night, really nauseous and lightheaded, and I threw up a little. And of course that happens the night before we leave, and I was determined to go still. Even though I felt like complete crap, I decided to go hike instead.
So the only reason I got up this morning was because she made me a cup of coffee.
Yep.
Otherwise I would have stayed in bed. I was tired, but this was the only nice day in the forecast in quite some time. It's totally worth it. Glad she pushed through it. Glad she's feeling a little better. Clear blue sky, bright sunshine. That vitamin D will help cure anybody. Well, we completed our elevation gain. Take a break.
You like it, Brett, remember?
That's because you have a crooked stick.